Hi everyone, it's Jennifer Portoles. Today's edition of Cooking with Jen is a special edition. As you can see, I'm wearing a little bit of a different outfit today. This is a Portuguese traditional outfit, the 7 skirts of Portugal. Believe it or not, this is mine from when I was a little kid. Thank God it doesn't fit me anymore, but I just wanted to have a little fun with it. We're going to be making a Portuguese bola, which in translation means meat bread. I hope that you guys enjoy. I've already started by cracking all of the 6 eggs that are required for this recipe, so they're already in there as you can see, and we're gonna put in the recipe ingredients. Now we're adding 2 cups of milk. Now the recipe calls for a lot of oil, so I'm actually not going to put as much as it says. It says about 1 cup and 3/4. So I'm going to do 1 cup because that's a lot of oil. There you go. And now we mix. Now we're going to mix for about a minute. Add 4 cups of flour. Now let's not forget about the 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Mix it all together for 2 minutes. Let's try to keep a clean station here. So now that we've mixed all of the dough together, this recipe says you can add some cheese in it. I'm not going to add cheese in it because that's not the way my mom did it. Now it said to use an 8x12 pan. Mine's slightly bigger. It's 9x13, so I'm going to use this one. So my mom used to use bacon in her recipe. We don't have bacon at our house, we just have turkey bacon. So I bought this wine and peppercorn salami that I will be using, and I'm going to fry it up so that it adds a nice crisp to the Portuguese bola bread. So while I'm frying up my meat, I'm going to set the oven to 370. My husband would say that that's not enough meat, but I think it's good enough for what we're making today. We're gonna really saute that up. You can also see some of the oil here is spilling out in the pan, so we're kind of taking a little bit of that oil off. I wish you guys could smell how good this smells. So I laid down a little bit of parchment paper here, and now I'm going to spread my dough out and put my meat in. So here we go. Spreading the dough here. I'm only going to do half so that I can put the meat inside. So it's almost like a layer of meat. And now I'm going to dump in my meat and trying to avoid some of the oil that's still stuck in there. Now for our second layer. Now that it's all covered up here, we're going to put it in our oven for 30 to 40 minutes. Let's take a peek. I don't know what that big bubble over there forming is, but I hope it turns out. Looks pretty good. Now let's see how it tastes.